Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, in everything he sees only Krishna. Premanjana chirita bhakti vilochanena santa sadaiva hridayeshu vilokayanti. Sadaiva. They sometimes inquire, have you seen God? Those who are actually devotees, advanced devotees, he is simply seeing Krishna, nothing else. Premanjana chirita bhakti vilochanena Santa sadaiva hridayeshu. Sadaiva means always. Hridayeshu vilokayanti. Yang shama sundaram achinta gunasarupam. Govindamadi purusham tamaham vajam. This is, more you advance in Krishna consciousness, you will simply see Krishna. And if you become practice to see Krishna always, Sada tadabhava bhavita jag jaga vapi smaran loki tajattanti kali yad bhava. So, if you always think of Krishna, that is Krishna's instruction also. Manmana bhava mad bhakta mad jaji maanga namastu. Always think of. That is the first class yogi who thinks of Krishna always. Yogi namapi sarvis. Madgata antaratmana Bhajate Joma Samiyukta Tamama. He is first class yogi. And devotees, we already, otherwise why you should think of Krishna? Manmana bhavamad bhakta madjaji. One only bhaktas can think of Krishna always. Manmana bhavamad bhakta. Because you are my bhakta, your duty is to think of me always. This is a very difficult task. You are seeing Krishna in the temple. The more you see Krishna, 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 24 hours engaged in Krishna consciousness means you will practice to see Krishna always. This is Krishna consciousness movement. You cannot forget Krishna even for a moment. And that is the instruction. Manvana bhavamad bhakta. Madhyaji maag namaskuru. These four things. When there is deity in the temple, you see and you get the impression, when out of the temple also, you can see within your heart. If you have developed love for Krishna, otherwise, officially you come to the temple and as soon as botheration, let me forget you. That is another thing. But the whole process is meant for developing love for Krishna. Sabai pungshan parvo dharma jato bhakti radhokhaji. Bhakti radhokhaji. That is first class religion system. This is first class religion system. This Krishna consciousness is the first class topmost religious system. Why? It is educating people to think of Krishna, the Supreme Lord, always. Loving, not only thinking. You cannot think of anyone unless you love. If you love somebody, then you can think of him, always. Just like both lover and beloved. Say one boy, another girl. So they are in love. So both of them think of both of them, always. When we shall meet again, when we shall meet again. So similarly, Manmana Bhagavad Bhakta, you can become a devotee of Krishna, you can think of Krishna always, provided you have developed love for Krishna. Premanjana churita, bhakti vilocha. By bhakti you can develop your love for Krishna. That is required. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama